Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the YOTENKO SMA male to SMA male RG142 Coaxial Cable Jumper. A professional-grade solution designed for high-frequency and industrial RF applications. This isn't your average consumer cable. From the outset, this jumper is built for durability and precision. At 3 feet or 1 meter, it may seem compact. But every element of its construction is engineered to handle demanding environments where signal integrity cannot be compromised. Starting with the connectors, the cable features a corrosion-resistant stainless steel SMA plug on one end, paired with a gold-plated 90-degree SMA male plug on the other. This combination ensures a reliable, long-lasting connection. Especially in situations where ports see frequent use or limited space makes traditional straight connectors impractical. The right-angle design helps prevent strain on your devices, making it ideal for tight setups while maintaining mechanical stability. The cable itself is constructed with double-braided shielding, providing exceptional protection against interference, vibration, and bending. It's designed to maintain stable performance even in harsh outdoor or mobile environments, which is a significant upgrade over standard RG174, RG316, or RG58 cables. Whether you're in a lab or out in the field, this double shielding ensures your signal remains clean and accurate. Speaking of signal integrity, this cable delivers impressively low VSWR, rated at less than 1.3 up to 8.5 GHz. This means power transfer is efficient, and measurements you take on instruments like vector network analyzers, spectrum analyzers, or SWR meters reflect true results without guesswork. Whether you're testing 5G infrastructure, radar systems, or high-frequency circuits, this cable ensures lab-grade accuracy. Another highlight is this insulation, also known as Teflon, which maintains stable electrical performance across temperature swings. This is particularly valuable for industrial testing, outdoor base stations, and radar systems, where temperature variations could otherwise cause signal drift. With insulation, the cable is reliable from field deployment to controlled lab environments. This jumper balances premium materials with thoughtful design. It is robust yet flexible, durable but not rigid, offering a professional-grade alternative to basic consumer-grade cables without the cost and complexity of full semi-rigid coaxial solutions. This makes it an honest and practical investment for anyone serious about RF testing, industrial setups, or telecommunications work. In terms of specifications, this coaxial cable weighs just 74 grams, features metal, PVC, and stainless steel in its construction, and is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It supports a wide range of professional applications, from base station testing and VNA measurements to aerospace and defense testing, industrial automation, and satellite communication prototyping. To wrap up, if you need a reliable, high-performance SMA male-to-male coaxial cable that can handle rigorous testing environments, deliver stable high-frequency signals, and last longer than consumer-grade alternatives, this cable is a solid choice. Its precision, durability, and thoughtful design all in one compact package. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product analyses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.